Good morning, good morning. It is a beautiful day to be alive here with the IJs. Today, we are on our way to do a system removal. Here's the hubby. Say good morning to him. So today, we are actually having an early morning. We actually have a solar system removal. This is actually one of my favorite days because there is no better feeling than working on a Saturday morning. Honestly, I kind of like Saturday morning just because it's like the streets are more cleaner, more not as much traffic.
I wish I was fishing.
And not as many people. But anyways, we're gonna act like we didn't hear that. Oh my god, so like the other gimbal that I use,
Yeah.
Stabilizer. This doesn't.
I'm just gonna hand you the panels for here, I guess. Is that 7/16? Where?
This whole thing.
That's 2 arrays. When they're not stuck together, that's its own separate array.
Okay, so this house actually has 3 arrays.
Yeah,
Is
3.
this the first array?
This guy had a roof leak too because of all the. They're not even nailed in right to the truss. All that whole side, they didn't hit the truss, and they're lagged in sideways.
Again?
Yeah.
Oh, so
You hear that? Look. That doesn't hit a truss. That didn't hit a truss right there. You see how that sounds?
yeah.
Watch, when it hits a truss, it sounds like this. It makes that noise.
Oh, way different, yeah.
Where? That was just a spinner. That's what we call those spinners. They don't hit nothing. We call those spinners.
Spinners?
Yeah.
And then if they're lagged sideways, it's more prone to leakage, huh?
Yeah, because it's not sitting right, you know? Look, come here. Look, underneath the lag, there's like a grommet, and it has to press this down. See that little disc right here?
Mm-hmm.
That's like a waterproof suction thing, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, look right here. Look.
So what would you
Look.
rate?
That's where it suctions onto that.
So what would you rate this installation?
Fucking 3 out of 10.
It's trash, huh?
Trash.
Yeah, so the homeowner said that once they got the solar, they were getting leakage.
He said, I don't know. He said he's had the solar for 10 years. Yeah.
That means he's halfway off to turning it off. If he's on a... Like, look at his homeowner back on top of the...
See how that sounded different?
Yeah, that one, because that one was a
Spinner.
spinner.
That one too.
That's a spinner too.
Yep.
I got it. This one, guys, what do you guys think is going to be? Is it going to be a truss or a spinner?
This is a truss because it's sitting nice.
Oh, yep. It's crazy how this is it takes sounds to know in this industry too.
Damn, look at. They couldn't find the truss.
I don't want to get that close.
Yeah, come close. Look at all those holes.
Holy cow, guys. You see all those holes? Because they cannot find the truss.
gloves.
All right, guys, we just finished our last removal of the day. Babe, ready? Another job complete. So much for watching with the IJs. My name's Ailey.
I'm Jesus.
And we appreciate you guys. And if there's anything that we're missing, either in the likes or I mean, if there's anything that you guys want to see more of or have questions about, drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you guys all. And you guys have a great rest of your day.